Okay, good morning, students. Today we will continue with our lessons. Yesterday we stopped here that the lion's courtiers were shocked had they not risked their life so that he could try camel meat. यानी आप लोगों को पता होगा इस स्टोरी में जब लायन ने क्या बोला इसको कैमल को, तुम आके मेरे साथ रहो, मैं तुम्हारे लाइफ की सुरक्षा मैं करता हूँ करके, बिकॉज he knew the planning of the fox, vulture and the leopard that they are trying to kill the camel, and camel has saved the life of the lion, so he was very thankful to him, so he wanted that camel should live alive, so he said he will protect him from the enemies. Now the lion paused was fox, leopard, vulture, he shouted, "Don't you see that I am ill and hungry? Go and get me some food." Now what is saying? Fox, leopard, vulture को कि I am ill, मैं बीमार हूँ, get me some food. Go and get some food. The courtiers had to obey the king, so out they went, but they did not go far. They sat down in a safe place and discussed what they could do. अभी लोग बाहर जाके what they did, they started to discussing because they were very shocked to see that lion is not ready to eat the camel, and they were expecting that they would get the remaining part of that meal left by the lion. "I know," said the fox after a while. "We shall make the camel ask to be eaten." He told the others of his plan. They all agreed, so back they went to the king. Now what they were planning, that they were making plan that the lion should eat the camel, and they were planning to do something like that lion will eat the camel. तो lion अगर camel को eat खा लेता है तो उनका plan successful रहेगा. First the vulture stepped forward. "Your Majesty," he said, bowing low, "we have found no food, but we cannot let your Majesty suffer. I am a poor creature, eat me." Now what they are planned, बाहर बेटे लोग प्लानिंग कर रहे थे, तो what according to their planning they are coming forward. वल्चर अभी क्या बोल रहा है लायन को, मैजेस्टी हम लोग ने बहुत देखा फूड के लिए, मीट के लिए, बट वी डिडंट गेट इट, सो प्लीज हैव मी, मुझे खा लो, ईट मी, आई एम ए पुअर क्रीचर. The fox pushed the vulture aside. "I have more meat on me," he cried. "Eat me, your Majesty." Now what the fox did, vulture को side में कर दिया, बोला "I have more meat," because vulture is a bird and it doesn't contain much meat. उसमें ज़्यादा मांस नहीं होता है. fox बड़ा है उससे, तो naturally उसमें मांस मीट ज़्यादा है. तो what he planned, बोलते हैं उसे छोड़ दो, "Eat me, I have more meat on me," he cried. "Eat me, your Majesty." Now the leopard rushed forwards. अब क्या हुआ, leopard भी सामने आ गया, बोलता है "I am not much good," he cried, "but I could make a meal for the king." बोलता है मैं इतना अच्छा तो नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैं आपके लिए एक मील बन सकता हूँ, ऐसे वो लायन से बोल रहा है. The camel listened to all these offers. He must do as much, he thought. "Your Majesty," he said, I too am willing to give my life for you. Please eat me instead of these old friends of yours who will be more useful than I am." Now the camel अभी सब सुन रहा था. He was listening to all this conversation. Now he was very touched with all these things. He said, "Why are you going to eat your old friends? Why don't you try me? You eat me. They are very useful to you, and I am not a useful thing for you." This was what the fox, the leopard and the vulture were waiting for. यही एक चीज के लिए फॉक्स, लेपर्ड और वल्चर ने प्लान किया था, ताकि अपने आप को सामने लायन के सामने पेश करेंगे, और लास्ट में कैमल क्या करेगा, अपने लाइफ का बलिदान दे देगा. एंड दे वर एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस थिंग, एंड दैट केम ट्रू, बट द लायन स्टॉप्ड देम. "You are all good and loyal subjects," he said. "My heart is touched by your offers. I accept them all. I shall eat you in the order in which you offered yourself." What did he say? आप लोग बहुत अच्छे हो. He is telling to the fox, leopard and the vulture, "You're यू आर वेरी गुड, यू आर वेरी लॉयल सब्जेक्ट्स, आप लोग बहुत ही वफादार हो। मैं आप लोगों के इससे वफादारी से खुश हो गया। एंड आई एक्सेप्ट योर ऑफर्स, यानी आप लोग जो बोले वो मैं एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ। जिस तरह आप एक एक करके आए थे वैसे ही एक एक करके मेरे पास आओ, मैं आप लोगों को एक एक करके खाऊंगा। द वल्चर, द फॉक्स एंड द लेपर्ड वर शॉक्ड. What happened? Hearing this, the vulture, the fox, and the leopard were very shocked. They never expected that the lion would say this. Away flew the vulture. अब ये बात सुन के vulture डर के मारे भाग जाता है। Away flew the vulture, away ran the fox and the leopard. अब ये सब डर के तीनों भी भाग जाते। They were never seen in the forest again. फिर दोबारा वो फॉरेस्ट में फिर पाए नहीं गए, क्योंकि डर लगा था कि कहीं अगर देख लेता है तो लायन उस लोगों को खा जाएगा। The lion laughed to see them go. Then he turned to the camel and said, "You have been loyal and good. You shall be my friend as long as we are alive." तो लायन ये जब इन तीनों को भागते हुए देखा तो हंसने शुरू कर देता है। कैमल से बोलता है, तुम बहुत ही लॉयल हो, बहुत ही अच्छे स्वभाव के हो। जब तक हम दोनों जिंदा रहेंगे हम एक अच्छे दोस्त की तरह रहेंगे। द कैमल वॉज हैप्पी एंड ग्रेटफुल। द लायन थॉट ऑफ हिमसेल्फ, टू बी ए किंग इज गुड बट टू बी ए काइंड इज बेटर। वो क्या कहता है, लायन कैमल वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दैट कि लायन ने ऑफर किया और उसको फ्रेंडशिप एक फ्रेंड की तरह माना। तो व्हाट लायन थॉट क्या होता है, टू बी किंग इज गुड, एक राजा बनना अच्छी बात है, लेकिन एक अच्छा इंसान बनना या अच्छा ये स्वभाव ये रखना, नेचर रखना, इट इज मच बेटर देन टू बी अ किंग। ओके, दिस इज व्हाट द स्टोरी इज। आई होप यू understood the story well. I hope if there is doubt is there, I don't find it's just a story about these animals, nothing more. Read the full lesson again. Try to understand what the story is if you have missed anything. Okay, and there will be some assignment be given to you. You have to do it and submit it. Okay, thank you.